Say hi. All right. Stu here. We're getting ready to put a new shower head in the shower. When we went out on our first RV trip and took a shower, the shower head, even though it has a valve that you can shut off, and that valve leaked a little bit, even though it was brand new. It's probably something I could take apart and clean, and it'd probably be okay. But we just figured we'd pick up a new one. The stock shower heads that come in these RVs are okay. We could probably get by with what we had, but the one that I purchased is supposedly supposed to save us water. So we're gonna give it a try and see how well it works. We got a trip coming up in the spring. It's February right now, and we got a trip coming up to Florida, and hopefully we'll have some sand on our toes and we can wash the sand out with this new shower head. And I don't know where he's at. I got a wild man to help me, maybe, if he can calm down the hill. All right, well, let's get started. We're gonna spill a little bit of antifreeze out of it because we winterized the shower, so the water is shut off. So it's just what's in the hose there. So we'll let it drain out. Just pour that out. Let that go. Should be pretty simple. I'm gonna rip into this and we'll get it out and look at it. Okay, getting ready to unbox this. It's a Oxygenics Pure Shower Genius BodySpa RV. It says, so long to wimpy RV showers, which the shower head we had didn't add any pressure. So when you took a shower, it was like taking one of those old watering cans and sprinkling it over top of you. So hopefully this will add some water pressure while we take a shower. My wife has long hair. My sons have long hair. I do not, so I don't have to worry about that. But hopefully this will help out with the water pressure situation in the shower. And more water pressure equals less time to rinse and saving water. We'll try to get this open. Here is the hose. There's a splitter valve. There's a wall mount.
The wolf now.
Mm-hmm. Are you going to climb out of there and help?
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi, everyone. Yes, there we go. Get this thing out of there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. I need that. No.
And there's the shower head itself. Yeah, very nice, isn't it? And here are the instructions.
Here, is it on the trust?
You want to hold on to that?
Yeah. Let's hold that. Alright, hold that.
It's pretty simple. Instructions aren't very lengthy.
It's raining and we fall off the rain.
So this is your on-off valve.
And the water is
opens or closes the valve to your shower head, and that's what was leaking on ours. It was in line right underneath the handle, and you could push it as hard as you could over, and it would still be leaking water out of the shower head. And turn it on, and like I said, it was like taking one of those sprinkler pins and sprinkling it out of it. So I don't know if it was something internal in the old valve. But hopefully this new setup will, cure that situation. Of course, we won't really know for sure until after we de-winterize the camper. You check it out?
Here.
Okay, I'll trade you. And once we de-winterize the camper and test it out, we'll show you what it looks like then. So hopefully this will help out. Okay, we'll see you back in the shower. He's showing you the valve again. Alright, we got the hose unpackaged in the head, and it just screws right in.
Yours.
Right on here.
Here's yours.
Okay, hold on.
And mine.
This is yours and this is mine?
This.
Okay. So that's an easy, quick
Yours.
connect.
Yours.
And we will bring this in with us. And this in with us. And we may or may not need this shower mount. We'll see if it'll slide in the old shower mount. If not, then we'll install the new one. Alright, so I'll see you in the shower now. Okay, the kit comes with some Teflon tape. And Evan's tearing the trailer down in the background if you can't tell. But it comes with Teflon tape, which you want to use on your fittings to make sure everything is sealed good so you don't have any leaks when you go to turn this baby on. We're going to put the shut-off valve right here underneath. And then all we got to do is straighten the hose out. So run it through here. This is the old wall mount. You can't hear him. That's because he got the door shut. Uh-huh. And then we'll stand up here and hopefully, yes, it'll stand right there, just like that. There we go. So that actually mounted right up into the old wall mount, which I was hoping, because I didn't want to have to drill any holes and do any more sealing. This is already drilled and sealed, and so is this. That's just a little hose guide, so if you drop it, it doesn't lay down in the floor there. Alright, and this spring when we're down in Florida, we'll give it a test run. So hopefully it is a little bit better than what we had. Yeah, I know, right? Once again, that's a pretty easy install. Pretty simple, quick and easy. $20 or $25 just for a shower head upgrade. So that's pretty reasonable. And it's pretty quick and easy. Everything mounted right up because it was made for RVs. So I'm assuming all the RVs have the same size hookups in the showers. So okay, this is the video of the finished product after it's been installed. So hopefully that will work out for us. Very easy install. Once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.